Hello everyone, welcome back to my programming channel. In today's video, we will learn how to write a program that calculates the sum of two numbers. Alright, let's begin by our favorite code editor. To start, we need to include the studio.h header file. Now, let's define our main function. Inside the main function, we will declare two variables to hold our input numbers and another variable to store their sum. Next, we will prompt the user to enter the two numbers. Now we have the input numbers. Let's calculate their sum. We have performed the addition operation and the result is stored in the sum variable. Now let's display it to the user. Lastly, we will return 0. And that's it. We have completed our program to calculate the sum of two numbers in C. Now let's run our program. And there you have it. Our program prompts the user for two numbers. Now let the first number be 5 and the second number be 6. And the output we get is 11. And again, our first number be 45 and the second number be 45. And the output we get is 90. And once again, let the first number be 9 and the second number be 5. And the output we get is 14. Now, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share it with your friends. Happy coding! Make sure to subscribe my channel for more programming tutorials and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.